your sketches, if y'all notice, when you did the extrusion over here in the model window, your sketches disappeared. They're now what's called consumed by the extrusion. And if you look right here at this little drop down arrow beside extrusion, if you click it, you can see the sketch is grayed out. So there's a couple of different ways that we can edit things. If you need to change, all of the editing of previously drawn stuff is done in the model window, in the browser. So if I right click this and I do edit feature, all right, this 3D model stuff is called features. So if I edit the feature, it takes me back to the extrusion situation, extrusion window, and I can choose to change the extrusion size if I want to. All right. If I need to edit the shape of the sketch within this, so watch this. This extrusion here, I need to change the size of it. If I click the drop down, go to the sketch, if I right click and do edit sketch, it's going to take me back to the original sketch that was there. And I can come in and change these dimensions. And if I change a dimension and click finish sketch, notice how it auto updates the entire thing. All right. If I need to, what may help, and y'all are going to notice this situation. I'll just do it real quick. So let's say that you're trying to do a specific thing and you want to extrude these two circles a different distance. If I hit extrude and I've only selected one profile, notice that the other sketch disappears. And you're like, well, Mr. Ninus, where did the rest of this go? Because I'm trying to do both of them.
Teachers, if you have not posted second period attendance, please do so now.
You click the drop down, right click right here where it says visibility. You can turn things on and off so that you can see them. And now I can go back and redo the extrusion.